Welcome. In front of me I have iPad Pro 11, the third generation from 2021, and I will show you how you can get Google Assistant on this device. So simply you have to open the App Store on your device. So let's make it. Tap on the search pool, then type Google. Hit search button, and right now you have to scroll down and find the Google Assistant. It's right here. So let's download. As you can see, it was successful, so right now we can open, and here we got our account. If you don't have it, you can add another one and just simply log into your Google account, then click to continue. Click continue on the right bottom corner, click allow, and as you can see right now we are here. We easily downloaded Google Assistant on our iPad. We can also use the voice notifications. So right now you can say comment, for example, show me some information about Real Madrid.
I can search the web for that. Just tap the search chip below.
Yeah, so that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.